Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start on the inside. Remove the plastic vent cover and screen. Keep screws organized so you don't hunt later. Once done, gather tools, screwdriver set, utility knife, caulk gun, sealant, and a ladder, and park on level ground. Make sure to turn off 12V power and the fan to avoid shocks or spinning blades. Climb up with a partner. One person steadies the ladder while you access the roof flange. This gets you immediately into the removal phase. You now remove the dome and fan. Unscrew all flange fasteners and lift the assembly straight up to avoid tearing the roof. Next, disconnect wiring, label or photograph each wire so reassembly is foolproof, and set the fan aside. Use a sharp utility knife to cut through old sealant, scraping to expose clean roof material. This step matters because new sealant bonds poorly to residue. Once the flange is clean and dry, test fit. You apply a continuous bead of roof-grade sealant around the cleaned flange, then set the new vent cover in place and hand-tighten screws in a crisscross pattern to compress the seal evenly. Reconnect the wiring using your labels or photos, then torque fasteners to manufacturer specs. Inside, reattach the vent trim and test the fan and motor. Make sure to inspect for leaks after the first rain or a gentle hose test. If you see seepage, tighten screws and add a thin bead of sealant. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.